Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's so great to see ya. It's harvest season right now, so it's time to make some of those fun harvesty recipes. This is one I learned from a wonderful Southern chef named Brenda Gantt, and it's for something she created called squash Alabama. Well, I got a butternut squash and I cut it up and I roasted it for about an hour. And I'll be using this for this recipe. I'm melting a couple tablespoons of butter, and I'm using that to cook a bag of onion and pepper mix. In a large bowl, I need that squash, a cup of mayonnaise, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and some black pepper. Let's mix that all together. And mix in those peppers. Pour that into a prepared baking dish. I have a sleeve of Ritz crackers that I've crushed up, and pour those on top. Drizzle on a little melted butter. And then you bake it at 350 for 35 minutes. Squash Alabama. That butternut squash is so good. It's cheesy, loving those buttery cracker crumbs on top. It is an amazing dish for this harvest season, and this could easily be your family's favorite side dish at the Thanksgiving table. Give it a try. What do you call the scraps of food that fall off the table? Floor d'oeuvres.